voice change can be divided into two parts. Okay, first one is called active voice and second one is known as passive voice. What is active voice? In our regular life, which language we use while talking, that is called active voice. Active voice, by using active voice, we can write a sentence or we can speak to other people. Okay, so active voice, the voice which we use on a regular basis. Passive voice, when we change the word, okay, that is called passive voice. In passive voice, in the 90% cases, we have to use by. Okay, by using passive voice, we can only write the sentence. Okay, there is no way of speaking by using passive voice. We have to write down anything we want by using passive voice. Okay, the second thing we have to understand that the sentence. Okay, the sentence. What do we have to understand? The tense. The tense of the sentence. Okay. Now the sentence can be divided into three parts: subject plus verb plus object. Okay. The division in the formation, we get three things. First one is called the subject, second one is called the object, and last one is called the verb. Second one is verb, and last one is called the object. Here the subject is they. This is the subject. This is the verb, and this is the object, the last. When it is clear that what is subject, what is verb, and what is object, then we have to identify what the tense is. Now there, the tense is present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Clear? Verb plus ing, and this is R, which indicates that it is present tense, and verb plus ing, which indicates that it is present continuous. Now, in voice change, the house or the object part comes in the subject part. In voice change, there is three type. In the making sense, the subject, the verb, and the object. Object part comes in the subject part. Okay. So here the house is in the last part of the sentence, and which will come in the first part of the sentence. Okay. It is known as the subject. Okay. The house. The house is. Now ing changes into being. Now third form of by, bought. Bought. Okay. By them. Clear? So they changes into, the word they changes into they. Clear? The very easy method of doing voice change is that you have to translate in your mother language. The whole active voice should be translated in mother language. After that, you can do it easily. Okay. Here you have to identify it is the subject, it is the be verb, it is the main verb, and it is the last part is object. Now you have to change it. A letter, will changes into will be. Verb 1 goes to verb 3, written by. He changes into he. Okay. Next, she likes apple. Now what is the tense of the sentence? Simple present tense. Simple present tense. Now apple comes in the first part of passive voice. Apples is, no, are. Apples are, plural form. Apples are liked by. She goes into her. Who is asking question? Who changes into by whom. Questions. WH, when the sentence starts with WH, then it comes in the first. There is no change at all in this particular question. When the active voice ends with question mark and it starts with WH word, it comes into by whom. Who থাকলে কি হবে? By whom. By whom questions are being clear, being asked. Clear? Okay, next. Open the door. Imperative sentence. The formula of solving imperative sentence is quite different. Let the, it starts with let the door be open. Var 1 changes into var 2. The formula of doing voice changes. The question comes into var 1 and it changes into var 2. Clear? She loves cat very much. Very much is not important for the line. Okay. We have to start with the cat. Her cat. She loves her cat. Her cat is the object here. Okay. Her cat is loved by her. She goes into her. I did not paint the wall. Here the wall is object. Paint is main verb. Did not is be verb. Her I is the subject. The wall comes in the first part. The wall was not painted by me. So I changes into here. My teacher will help me in my studies. In my studies. It is rest of the word. Rest of the word. Okay. Not needed for voice change at all. Okay. We have to start with this. I. Okay. I will be helped by my teacher in my দেখে দেখে বসিয়ে দেব studies. Here next. Here the same. He is abusing me for nothing. I was being him for nothing. Here we have done our homework. Same. This is the object. This is the verb. Subject. Subject goes into object. Object comes in the first. Our homework has been done by here. The boy is climbing the wall. The wall is ing changes into being by the boy. Here next. Why did it? Same. Starts with WH word and ends with a question mark. Okay. Why did she write such letter? Why such letter? Did changes into was. Okay. Why such a letter was written by question mark. No changes of sign. If the question comes in question mark, then we have to put down the same a question mark or full stop, whatever it is. Okay. He is the subject. This is the verb. And this is the object. A box of chocolate is the rest of the word. It is not needed to change. Okay. You will be given এটা এখানে পুট করতে পারি, a box of chocolate by him। এটা লাস্টে করতে পারতাম, ঠিক আছে। they have not done their job, okay, this is the object, their job has not been done, as it is already done in the third form we have to put down the same word, okay, their job has not been done by them, she likes apple, this is the maybe same question, yeah. Same as 3 question number, okay, they have bought a horse, a horse have been bought by them, yeah. When we are talking about something that don't have any life, then we can use has or has been the word. Which have life we have to put down have been or have, okay. She bought 5 video films, 5 video films was, okay, কি হবে তারপরটা, the students, no, plural, right, she means singular number, students means plural number, that's why we have to use where, students were being taught by, clear, next answer, a gold medal, no, has been, right, has or have changes into have been or has been by understanding whatever the object is, okay, has been given by the board, clear, okay, did changes into was, clear, did they catch the thief, was the, was the thief caught, right, verb 1 goes into verb 3, clear, was the thief caught by them, clear, question mark, she knows me, was I am known to her, clear, last one, he will write a letter, clear, a letter will be written, written by him. The thing we have to understand while doing voice change, that if the question comes in the present tense, we have to do the answer or the passive voice in present tense. There is no need to change any tense. In voice change, if the question comes in present tense, we have to put down the answer as present tense according to present tense. If the question comes in past tense, we have to put down the answer according to the past tense. There is no tense change formula applied in voice change. Okay, so we have to clear the tense. After that, we can do voice change easily. Clear? लिखे ना